When we talk about Indian stock market, we have a lot of successful investors. Rakesh Chunjunwala, Ramdev Agrawala, Vijay Kedia. They are the most successful investor. They have created huge wealth from the equity market and they have inspired a lot of new investors. Friends, these investors, they haven't got the success at overnight. They have taken a long time to create wealth in the equity market. Along with that, it doesn't mean that they haven't done any mistake. In the early stage, even they have also done a lot of mistakes. Later, they have corrected it, they have learned it. That's why they have created a wealth, that's why they got it success. In the same way, every year, a lot of new investors they enter the world of stock market with a one dream to generate a multi-bagger return. But most of the retail investors they fail in the equity market. Only few investors they will be able to create wealth in the equity market. The major reason is in the early stage they will commit a lot of mistake which will stop them to create wealth in the equity market. Some of the mistakes are investing based on the tips, investing into penny stocks, doing FNO trading. These are the some mistake which will stop them to create wealth in the equity market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about 5 mistakes which I have committed in my early stage. Friends, let's be honest. Everybody does the mistakes in the early stage. We have to accept the mistake. We have to get it correct. We have to learn. This is how we will grow. This is how we will create wealth in the equity market. Let's get started. The first mistake is investing into 52-week low stocks. When I want to invest for a long time, what I used to do is first I used to identify the stocks which are trading at 52-week low, and I used to think that these stocks they have corrected a lot. In the future, these stocks will bounce back and they will create wealth in the future. Friends, that's absolutely wrong. Currently, stock may be trading at 52-week low, but it doesn't mean that it cannot fall further. It can fall further. But before investing into any 52-week low stock, you should make sure that whether it is corrected for an internal reason or external reason. If it is for an external reason, the reasons like a slowdown in the economy, slowdown in the business, hyperinflation, this will create a good investment opportunity. I would like to give one example. So from last 2 years, IT stocks are trading at discounted price. The major reason is the slowdown in the US economy, which has created a good investment opportunity in IT stocks. In the future, things will normalize. Definitely stocks will create a huge wealth in the long term. If it is for an internal reason, change in the fundamentals, change in the leadership, then you have to be very careful with these reasons. That's the reason before investing into any 52-week low stock, you should identify the reason. What is the reason for correction? If it is for an internal reason, you have to be very careful. If it is for an external reason, then you can utilize that opportunity for long-term wealth creation. The next one is FNO trading. In my early stage, I have done some FNO trading where I lost some money. I'm not saying you should not do FNO trading. Before doing FNO trading, you should be very thorough with the technical analysis. Along with that, you should be having some 2-3 years of practical experience in FNO market. Then only you can become a trader. Then only you can trade. Then only you can make money in FNO trading. Or else in 1 or 2 days you cannot make money, you cannot trade. That's the reason it is very important to understand the difference between trading and investment. The next one is ignoring the blue chip stock. When I started my investment journey, the one of the biggest mistake which I've committed is I used to ignore blue chip stock. The stocks like Reliance, Titan, HDFC Bank. What I used to think is these stocks they have already created huge wealth in the past. In the future, they cannot grow, they cannot create wealth in the future. Friends, that's absolutely wrong. These stocks they would have already created wealth in the past, but it doesn't mean that they cannot grow. It doesn't mean that it cannot create wealth in the future. Friends, these stocks they are the leader in their respective segment. They are continue to grow, they are continue to innovate, they are continue to create wealth in the future. Blue chip stocks they may not generate a multi-bagger return, but they can generate a consistent return. That's the reason in the early stage we should have good allocation into blue chip stock. These stocks it will give more stability to our portfolio. Friends, recently I have covered 5 blue chip stocks and importance of blue chip stock. You can watch this video. The next one is reshuffling the portfolio very frequently. After investing into the particular stock, if stock is not giving a good return after 1 or 2 months, I used to sell that stock and I used to invest in a different stock. Friends, that's absolutely wrong. If you do like that, you will not be able to create wealth. Instead of that, what you can do, first you have to understand the fundamentals, understand the business. After that, you have to invest in a quality stocks. Once you invest, you have to remain invested for a long time. Then only you can create wealth in the equity market. The next one is ignoring the mutual fund. Friends, when we are new to the world of stock market, we should start our investment journey with a mutual fund, because mutual funds are one of the best way to create wealth in the long term. Mutual funds are one of the safest investment, because mutual funds are managed by the professional fund managers. They will be having 10-15 years of experience in the industry. Along with that, you will be getting a good diversification across the industry, across the market capitalization. That's the reason in the early stage, you should have good allocation into mutual fund. After that, what you can do is you can learn the art of stock picking, then you can invest into direct stock. But our first priority has to be in mutual fund in the early stage. Friends, in this video, I have discussed about 5 mistakes which I have committed in my early stage. If you summarize the point, the first one is investing into 52-week close stock. The second one is FNO trading. The third one is ignoring the blue chip stock. The fourth one is reshuffling the portfolio very frequently. Fifth one is ignoring the mutual fund. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.